So at its core, Jiu-Jitsu is submission wrestling. We incorporate a lot of joint locks, chokes, just basically anything to encourage our opponent to give up. The difference between Jiu-Jitsu and wrestling is, in wrestling, we're simply trying to establish the pin. We want dominance, but we're not finishing the match. We're not finishing the fight. In Jiu-Jitsu, we are. We're attacking the arms, we're attacking the joints, we're attacking the neck, anything to finish the fight. The beauty of Jiu-Jitsu is that it doesn't take strength, it doesn't take speed, it doesn't take overpowering your opponent to be able to defeat them or subdue them or control them. It takes being able to utilize angles, and off of those angles create leverages. The angles and the leverages are going to give us the upper hand, basically, when we go against the larger, stronger opponent. So when we have this skill set, that's where the confidence comes from. Jiu-Jitsu's for everyone, everybody. Men, women, kids, it's for everyone. It has a lot of practicality for rape safe. It has a lot of practicality for bully-proofing your kids. It has a lot of practicality for just overall self-defense in the street. Jiu-Jitsu's for everyone.